Hello, and welcome to RentSpree, where we make tenant screening simple. Today, we are going to go over how to create an account and start collecting rental applications and screening reports from potential tenants. One of the first things you'll notice is a button that says Request a Demo. You can click this to schedule a demo with one of our support agents who will give you a call at the scheduled time to go over RentSpree and answer any questions you may have. Once you're ready to get started, you can click on either Start Screening Now or on the Get Started button to create your RentSpree account. To create the account, simply enter the email address and the password you would like to use on RentSpree. You can then click on Sign Up with Email, where you will then be asked to select how you are using our service and to agree to the TransUnion Terms of Service. Once you've accepted the service agreement, you will be taken to your dashboard, which is your home on RentSpree. Here, you can access our support center. You can explore any other features on RentSpree, including sample reports. You can message any other applicants or agents and landlords you may be working with. You can collect a rent estimate report on your property, or you can start screening by clicking on the Add New Listing or Start Screening Applicants button on the page. If this is your first time using RentSpree to screen an applicant, you will be asked to enter your name and mailing address. This can be a home or office address and will not be seen by the applicant whatsoever. Once you've entered this information, you can click on Save and Next to move on to entering the actual property address. This is the address that you want to collect screening reports and or rental applications for. Once you've entered the property, click Next, and you will then be asked to select who will pay the screening fee, either the applicant, who will pay once they verify their identity at the time of submission, or if you would like to pay for it yourself, in which case we will not ask you for payment until the reports are actually available. You can then select if you like the online rental application, credit report and score, criminal background check, and or nationwide eviction report. You will then be asked to select how you would like to screen. The first option, Request Reports via email or mobile, allows you to enter the applicant's email address or mobile phone number, and we will then send them a request to apply. If you have multiple applicants, you can either click Enter on your keyboard or type in a comma, and it will then separate the email addresses for you. If you do want to send a text message, you would just need to click on Text Message and enter the mobile phone number that you would like to send that request to. You can then click on the Send Request button to do so. If you have more requests to send, you can click on the Send More Request button to do that. The second option, to share the lease link, is more helpful if you have any postings on social media or other listing sites, or if you're using the MLS. You can then copy this link and you can either paste it to any of those advertisements, to the agent or private remarks section of the MLS, or you can send it directly to your applicant from your own email address or mobile phone number. The last option, to print the screening handout, is helpful if you're conducting any live showings or open houses. It is a handout that you can print out and bring with you to the property, and you can provide a copy to any applicants or allow them to take pictures or scan the QR code. If you would like to, we have a spot for you to add a custom message of up to 30 characters. And if you do enter a custom message, you can then click on the Update Message button. So that way, when you do go to print out the handout, it displays that message for you. When you do click on Print, it will then open the screening handout for you in a new tab. It will show you that QR code along with the lease link. It'll let you know what items you have requested, and it will also show some of your information, including the property address, a phone number and email to reach you at, and your custom message. It'll also include some information from RentSpree. Once you are done with the handout, you can click on Go to Dashboard to return to your RentSpree dashboard, where you will see the property address listed there, along with the amount of requests that you have sent out, any completed requests, and any reports that you have shared with another agent or owner. If you do have another applicant that you would like to screen for this property, you can click on the Actions button and select how you would like to screen, either by email or text, by the lease link, or by printing a screening handout. There's also an option to deactivate the property, so that way once you have filled that vacancy, you can remove it from your dashboard and then reactivate it at a later time when it is available again. Access deactivated properties. All you need to do is click on the property tab and select either all properties or inactive properties. For the purpose of this demo, I have switched to an account that has received reports back, which is reflected in the completed column where you can see the number 4 here. To view the reports, all you need to do is click on the property address, and any request that has been sent or completed will appear for you. You will see their score if a credit report was requested, any background results for the criminal background check, and any eviction results for the eviction report. If an application was requested, you'll also see their monthly income. If you click on an applicant's name, you will then be able to view the reports in full. The first thing you'll notice is a cover page that shows you basic information along with an overview of their score, and then any background or eviction records. You can continue scrolling to view the rest of the reports, or click on the report name at the top of the page. If you've signed up for RentSpree Pro, you can also select either the reference check or other document sections to utilize those features. And once you have made a decision about the prospective tenant, you can accept or deny them by clicking on the Accept Deny button. You can then accept them, accept on condition, or deny them, and you will be asked to provide some more information on the conditions or why you're denying them when you click the button. The last thing you'll notice is a sub-menu on the left-hand side that also lets you select to get a rent estimate. You can suggest a feature, or you can select to be notified when we have any upcoming features listed that are added to the site. If you do have any questions about RentSpree or the information we discussed in this video, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 323-515-7757. You can start a live chat with us on our website, or you can email us at support@rentspree.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.